Today I'm going to demonstrate on how to create an inventory item. So before that, let me show you the contents for the creating an inventory item. I would be using an item name and description, what unit types I would be using for an item, subsidiary selection, costing method, vendor purchase price, sales price, accounting setup, and tax schedule.
Let me starting off logging into NetSuite account. Provided my credentials already, clicking on login, it will take me to the home page of the NetSuite account. So I go to list, accounting, items, and I'm gonna click on new. So this will take me to the list of all the items which can be created in NetSuite account. So here we can see an inventory item, we can see a item group can be created, we can see a kit package can be created, a markup item can be created, non-inventory items for purchase, for sale, service items for purchase, sale can be also created in NetSuite account. So let me start off creating an inventory item. So clicking on inventory item here, it will take me to a form where we have list of fields provided. So I'm gonna start off providing the item name or number. So in my case it would be a number, so I would provide 453. It's an item number. Then I would provide the name of an item, kettlebell. Yeah, this would be my name of an item. And what would be my primary unit type? It would be in kilos, so my stock unit also would be kilos, my purchase unit and sale all unit also is in kilos. So here we have, under classification section, we have what subsidiaries I would be selling it to. So let's assume I would be selling it to I think all the subsidiaries in this list. So I would click on the parent subsidiary and I would click on include children. So in this case I would be selling it to all the subsidiaries. So I can choose department, it would be class, it would be sales, what brand, I can select the brand, choose a brand for an item, yes. Then I could under purchasing or inventory section, I can choose the costing methods needed to be creating an item. What type of costing method? It would be, we have three types of costing method. It would be FIFO, or it could be LIFO, or an average. In my case it's an average, so I'd leave it as it is. Then I would again provide the purchase description. Then I would provide the purchase price per kg, assuming it would be $3 or $3.4 as a purchase price. Then under vendor section, you would see, under location section, you would see all the location available for these item where the item could be sold. Then I would, under vendor section, if I have a preferred vendor, I can go ahead and add a vendor to this item. Then what subsidiary it is, if it's preferred. If I have a purchase price, I can go ahead, can add the currency and what purchase price for this vendor I would be selling it to, probably somewhere around 12.34 purchase price. Clicking on OK. Then I would go, let me copy this purchase description. I would go to sales and pricing. I would update my sales description. What would be the item weight for the shipping? So it is 20 kilos. I would update the weight unit to kilos. Then under my base price, I would update it to, for the selling price, the selling base price would be around 18.24. If if I have a different type of pricing, assuming it's an online price, I would be selling the same for 17.24. Then I'm going to the accounting section. I would type in my cost of goods sold account. So if I have an asset account, provide my asset account. My sales account is defaulted right in this scenario. Sales, if I have a tax schedule, if it's a standard tax schedule, providing the standard tax schedule. I think all my information, basic information, has been updated on an inventory item. So I would save this record. On saving this, I already have this item present in my system. Just to check, if I provide the inventory item number on the global search, I would be seeing the inventory item getting created. So we have the inventory item created in NetSuite.
I hope you found this video helpful, and if you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel for future updates. Stay tuned.